Welcome, guys. This is Claudette with Miss Puff Creative Corner, and today, yet again, I'm partaking in Jill Norwood Saturday Morning Makes. Anyone could partake. This is an open collaboration. I'm going to leave Jill Norwood's YouTube channel in the description box down below. You could enter hashtag Sat Morning Makes to see the other creator designs. So I want to share with you this lovely little mini tissue box that I created with its coordinating card. And it's a lovely gesture to give to someone, this cute little box to someone who is not feeling that great or is under the weather. So I use this messaging mice by Stampin' Up. It was created in 1999. I got this wooden stamp set off of eBay, and I think it's such a lovely stamp set. I love Stampin' Up for its coordinating products. So this color that I use is Coastal Cabana with the matching gems, as well as the gingham designer series paper and the ribbon. I also use the scallop oval dies to help me create my card, as well as I utilize my alcohol markers to color my images in. So I created a tutorial on how to create this little mini tissue box. So I'll leave that in the description box down below if you're interested in checking that out. The good thing about this tissue box is it's refillable. You could get 8 individual pack of tissues from the Dollar Tree if you have one close by. So if this is your first time stopping by, please consider hitting the subscribe button as well as that bell icon so you can be notified when I upload my latest videos. So I also created some Christmas tags that I want to share with you, and some of the products that I use for that Christmas tag. Those Christmas tag is What's Cooking. This is a stamp set by Stampin' Up, which is retired. Trucking Along has its coordinating punch, and this is current. This is one of the exclusive that came out July 6, 2023, and it sold out pretty much right away. And they're supposed to get more in stock. So I'm not sure it's back in stock yet. But this is a cute coordinating set because you could fill the back of the truck with all sorts of goodies. And you're going to see how I did that on one of my tags. I also use the Holly Jolly Christmas, and they have a coordinating die set. I use the Sentiment Love Center, and they have a little tag cut out. So it's nice, a little mini tag. So I like that. This is also retired, but you want to give all your stamps and tags that's retired love because it's a big investment you're using. I also use these garment pins as well as these 6x6 craft paper that's retired. That was by Stampin' Up. I also use the puffy paint and in white, as well as the extra fine glitter by Sullen, as well as the Photo Play Bake with Love designer series paper, and this is just beautiful designer series paper. I've seen a lot of people create their recipe books out of this. It's really nice. I use some twine from the Dollar Trees, like a red and white. It's like peppermint, so I use some of that twine. I also use some snowflake sequence hair by Stampin' Up, and that's one of the exclusives that came out in July 6th. So this is the first tag. I also cut out these charcuterie boards using my Cricut Joy. And I'm getting into the habit of using my Cricut Joy a little bit more. It's amazing the different things that you could cut out, especially if you don't have the dies or the punch. So look at this little tag here. I created a bow out of this garden green ribbon by Stampin' Up. I put Love Santa in that garden green too as well. You see my garment pin with a little jingle bell. I'm not sure where I got these silver jingle bells from. Sending Loads of Wishes was created by my Cricut Joy, and you could see how I load up that truck with a Christmas tree as well as some gifts. So this second tag, the Gingerbread Kisses, is created by my Cricut Joy. The checkered paper is by Paper Rose, which I got from scrapbook.com. I got that little wooden ginger from the Dollar Tree. The peppermint I created out of clay, and the spatula, you could see why I added the puffy paint as well as the glitter on top of the puffy paint to create my icing. The raffia and the red jingle bell was purchased from the Dollar Tree. Now on this third tag, you could see where I used the little cupcake and the gingerbread cookie from that was from Photo Play Bake with Love Designer Series paper. You could see where I added my red and white twine. And the green jingle bells is from the Dollar Tree. You could see my little snowflake, self-adhesive back snowflakes by Stampin' Up. I add a couple of those. And the spoon, I also added the puffy paint as well as some glitter to create or mimic icing. And you could see how I also cut like a little slit and add the spoon in there. You know, when the bowl is empty and you already did your batter, put it in the oven, then you get to lick the bowl and the spoons. You guys remember those times? But these are my creation, guys. If you guys got creative value from today's video, go ahead and smash that like button down below. Thank you guys for tuning in with me today. This is Claudette, and I'll catch you guys on my next video.